Today I'm at a client's house and we are setting plants out. The contractor is going to set the plants and then I'm going to make sure that they look just right in the space. Sometimes you put that plan together and then once you get on the job site it doesn't quite look exactly the way that you want it to. So that's why I'm here today, to make sure that we get every plant exactly placed where it should go before they start digging holes. We are finished setting all the plants. There's a few tweaks that still have to be made, but those things and working together with the homeowner and the contractor and me as a team are what is going to make this entire plan look amazing.